Welcome viewers. On this National Education Day, we share our knowledge on two textile apparel companies, Fashion India Limited and SPL Industries Limited, without any fear or favor. Let us review second quarter results of Go Fashion India Limited, and let us have a preview of second quarter results that are to be declared on 14th November 2022 by SPL Industries. Before looking at them individually, let us have a glance at their valuation data points, which are shown in this slide. Both the stocks are of rupees 10 face value. Go Fashions is into ladies outer bottom wear apparels, while SPL Industries is into outer upper wear apparels for both. Stocks of Go Fashion India Limited closed at rupees 1234 and 70 paise at a PE ratio of 8370 and a PB ratio of 13.83, while stocks of SPL Industries closed at rupees 83 rupees and 80 paise at a PE ratio of just 9.73 and a PB ratio of just 1.49. Textile apparel industry average PE ratio is 40.85, while average PB ratio is 5.70. Regarding last fiscal's ROCE and ROE levels, ROCE of Go Fashions India Limited was 12 and ROCE of SPL Industries is 18.80. ROE of Go Fashions is 9.72 and ROE of SPL Industries is 13.90. These facts reveal that SPL Industries stock deserves a screaming buy call at the current levels. Look at them individually. Share of Go Fashion India Limited is trading at rupees 1235 against its book value of just 89 rupees 30 paise. Its share price performance in comparison with BSE Sensex performance in the last 1 year is shown here in 5 time spaces. In the last 1 week, it recorded negative return of 11.3% against Sensex return of 0.2%. In the last 1 month, it recorded a negative returns of 8.6% against Sensex returns of 4.9%. In the last 3 months, it recorded returns of 11.9% against Sensex returns of 3.7%. During year to date, it recorded returns of 15.4% against Sensex returns of 4.8%. In the last 1 year, it recorded zero sum returns against Sensex returns of 1%. Now let us talk about its second quarter performance. It recorded 48% growth in revenues in second quarter on year-on-year basis. On net profit aspects, it recorded just 4% growth. Just see the results which are displayed in this slide. Now looking ahead into its potential for the fiscal, research findings of 3 analysts summarized in the stock report plus of Economic Times is shown in this slide. The average projected FY23 EPS for this fiscal is rupees 17.67. Its share price movements chart of the last 1 year is shown here. Though its current market price is above its 200 DMA level of rupees 1160, it breached down its 50 DMA level of rupees 1294.76 recently. Three analysts forecasts about its share price targets as per the stock report plus of Economic Times is shown in this slide, which gives an average price target of rupees 1600 over a year time horizon. However, one important aspect that might have escaped the notice of these analysts is that Lock-in period for the promoters' allotment is being completed in the second half of this month itself. Looking at the apparently high price levels of this stock, higher chances of booking profits by the promoter allottees of the IPO cannot be ignored. Looking at its technicals, global research portal marketscanner.com indicates neutral signals in the short term and bullish signals in the medium term and long term with resistance levels of rupees 1410 and 1399 respectively. In this slide, comparison of valuation data points of Go Fashion India Limited with those of SPL Industries Limited is shown. Contents of these are clearly revealing, which needs no further comments on the high-priced position of Go Fashion India stock and grossly underpriced level of SPL Industries stock. Now let us look at SPL Industries. Shares of SPL Industries is trading at rupees 83 and paise 50 against its book value of 56 and paise 40. Its share price performance in comparison with BSE Sensex performance in the last 1 year is shown here in 5 time spaces. In the last 1 week, it recorded returns of 20% against Sensex return of 0.2%. In the last 1 month, it recorded returns of 43.7% against Sensex returns of 4.9%. In the last 3 months, it recorded returns of 44.90% against Sensex returns of 3.7%. During year to date, it recorded returns of 76.9% against Sensex returns of 4.8%. In the last 1 year, it recorded returns of 76.2% against Sensex returns of 1%. Markets seem to have recognized the stock's gross underpriced levels, and this trend of the last 1 year will certainly be more apparent in the days to come, especially after the declaration of its second quarter results, which are due on 14th November 2022. In this slide, financial performance of the company in the last 5 years is shown in the first table. Financial performance of the company in the last 5 quarters is shown in the second table. In the fiscal year 2022, the company has recorded growth of 55.2% in its earnings per share. In the first quarter of this fiscal, the company has recorded even more impressive 122.94% growth in its EPS. To be conservative in our projections, the company should record a financial year EPS of around rupees 16 for 2023. If the company lives up to its quarterly performance records so far, even a conservative PE ratio of just 10 against the textile apparel industry average PE ratio of 40.85 should result in a market price of beyond rupees 160 for this stock. Its share price movements chart of the last 1 year is shown here. Its current market price is well above its 200 DMA level of rupees 57.85 and also its 50 DMA level of rupees 63.85, indicating secular bullish phase of the stock going forward. Looking at the technical analysis of the stock, its moving averages, momentum oscillators, trend oscillators, and volatility, all the 4 aspects are displaying strong buy signals as per the research portal investing.com. Well-respected technical expert Hitendra Vasudev confirmed technical breakout in the stock with indicative first target T1 of rupees 91 and paise 42 and second target T2 of rupees 106 and paise 82. In fact, we cannot forget to thank Sher Surya and Hitendra Vasudev for their valuable guidance which went into this presentation. Having presented these facts, I like to remember the well-known quote of the legendary Big Bull of late Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, which is shown in this slide. He expressed the, the prettiest part of the stock is that it has to be cheap, the entry point. This quote validates strong buy call of SPL industry stock at the current levels. Disclaimer. This research post is made for educational purpose only with utmost care, but without any risk and responsibility on the part of the researcher who posted this. Viewers have to take their investment decisions on their own risk and responsibility after consulting their personal investment advisor. We hope that this video makes a useful view to you. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Your likes only will motivate us to present such research posts again. With best wishes to the viewers, we close this post.